Or day number 609. 609 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, October the 25th, 2023. Not so good news because we have only two regular puzzles, the medium Sudoku and the jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Not so good news because in today's newspaper I've showed you earlier there are no extra puzzles, no additional. So what I will do in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. But let me continue with this one. This one will be number 7331. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20, exactly 20 printed digits. 20 printed digits should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Alright, let me see. First question to you is, by the way, I think it's a 1 or a 2 stars puzzle. For 1 star, need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or 3 or 1 star puzzle. First question to use, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Only one single box. Always a 1. Oh no! Here, another one. Overlooked. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. More dual boxes here. No, only one. No, oh! The third single box. Well, overlooked. Overlooked. Triple boxes then. Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. I see here one quadra box. This box can be 3. That box can be 3, so 3 could be here. Could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one of this shape. Then the Z or the S construction. This is the S. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. But let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright! Only one S shape or Z shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more shapes? No. Oh! Overlooked this one. The first one. Overlooked. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Overlooked. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And the next shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. I think here the T shape is missing here. The T shape. Well, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And then these 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Well, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright, these 2 boxes. Oh, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And then, this box can be 2. This box can be 4. So 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 5. Oh well, 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If you place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Two numbers left in this area. One was 3 and a 1. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this area. One was 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 3 there, because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3 there, but we already have a 3 there. So not the solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. Alright, this box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright, if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. Okay. Alright. Then these two boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. And also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay, I think this box should be a... well, could be a 5 or so. Let me think. Two numbers left in this area. One was 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area. One was 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then, let me think. Well. That means that these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means in this quarter box, those two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1 because we have a double 1 there. This box can be 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Okay. Then, let me think. 2 numbers left in this area. One numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. One numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes at there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here, and now I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And this one is connected with that box, so 2 and 3. Alright. Let me think. Let me think. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 4 there. Because then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here. Not the solution, place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. And this one is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And this box is also connected with this box, should be also 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. This box can be 4. This box, oh wait, we already have a 4 here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. Finish in 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Well, not the 1 star, but the 2 stars puzzle. Because I need 15 to 20 minutes for a Tectonic, this one, Jigsaw Sudoku. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again in the evening with the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. Until then, bye bye for now.